much? You bet how much?
Stop!
5, 3. Oh my god. All my money.
I hate the one. The one is ugly.
Oh.
Wait,
one
guys.
is
I got
hot.
one last bet.
Thompson, a semi-automatic.
I'll bet
rifle.
everything on one.
Yo, looks like his dead body.
750 on one. One is hot. One is hot, guys. 750 on
Recycle
one.
one of these guns.
Oh god.
There's no way we
guns
go
I can
wrong.
recycle.
750 on one.
I was
Wait, these aren't even scraps!
Oh my god.
Here we go.
I heard the one is hot.
Good luck in the gambling, everyone.
If it lands on 5, I'm gonna be pissed.
If it lands on 5, I'm gonna be rich.
Wait, how much did you put on 5, Sykkuno?
375.
Oh,
2,
5 is
3,
hot?
1 on 5.
Oh my god! We're rich! Oh my god! I won 2,000! 2,250! Jesus! We're rich!
Let's go.
We're rich, guys! We're rich! Let's get to the helicopter! Let's get out of here! Everyone to the helicopter! I'm rich! I'm rich!
Helicopter
Jesus!
time.
I'm gonna buy a helicopter!
Helicopter.
Everyone come over! Come over, guys! Helicopter! Oh shit! Helicopter! We're rich!
Sykkuno provides.
This way, everyone! This way!
Yes, we can go in the
Guys, we're buying a
helicopter.
helicopter. I just hit it big. I want 2,250 off of that.
Let's leave this server.
Jeez.
Let's buy a helicopter and
Just we're
fly out of here.
guys. We're moving to better places.
Going out with the bang.
Move to a better server where there's no war.
Helicopter, everyone.
A new
Helicopter.
land. We're going to a new
Chopper
land.
man.
All right, guys. I'll drive it. I'll drive it.
Let's go to
Sykkuno,
Roost
did
2.
you pass your flying test?
Oh, you
Yep,
He did
Ray
flying
gave me a
colors.
license and everything.
Wait, Ray gave you a license? That's awesome.
All right, guys. Before I go, let's give some scrap to everybody. Everyone, free scrap. I'm rich. I'm rich, guys. We want it big. We want it big.
Sykkuno!
This is
Whoa!
great.
I want to go to Mexico and drink tequila, Sykkuno. Let's go.
6. I got 6
Let's
scrap.
go. Grab more, grab more. I
Yeah.
need like 500 out at once now. 500 out at once. We're rich, guys.
I think you have to. I think you have to fly it out of this zone for us to jump in.
We're good.
To
We're good.
Join you outside.
Wait, you can't come in.
Oh my god, who's
Who's
dying out
getting
there?
No,
hot?
you can let us
just walk
enter
in the
right
back.
now.
Wait, you can't just
No,
walk.
it's
I
blocked.
want to ride shotgun though.
You have to take it out of the safe zone.
All right.
Okay, we'll meet
All
you
right,
out
I'll land
there.
right outside, guys.
Sykkuno,
Meet you
Everyone
guys
out of the
outside.
safe zone. Everyone outside.
Oh no.
Sykkuno's so cool. He has his own helicopter and his own money.
I've heard he blew up 2 of them already.
Bro.
We might blow up.
Guys, it's not his victory. It's our.
Oh my
Oh, Sykkuno!
There is no way! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding?
Well,
What?
on the bright side, he didn't blow up 2 helicopters. He now blew up 3 helicopters.
That was the 3rd one. That was the 3rd one.
You guys still got the scrap I threw, right?
Oh, corpse is on.
He's got.
Ray, he said that you gave him his license.
No, I definitely did not. Oh my god, we need more scraps, you guys. We gotta buy another. We need more scraps. Wait, I have 6.
Okay, we gotta go gamble. Back to gambling.
Back to back to gambling.
Wait, how much is the helicopter?
I think helicopters. I don't know actually.
1 point something K, 1.2.
Wait, I have enough.
Wait, you have enough?
Wait, you have enough for an helicopter?
Yeah. I have enough.
Wait, buy a helicopter.
What is going on, man? I just wanted to
It
gamble
went
in
so
peace.
well
This
the
is-
first
this
time.
is chaos.
That was fucking amazing.
Oh, the helicopter is over here. Over here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, oh, my sides hurt.
We're getting another copter.
Hey, Ash.
Sykkuno can drive.
Wait, maybe you should give the scrap to someone else. Give the scrap to someone who knows how to fly, maybe.
100%, 100%.
What if I want to
Ray looks like she knows how to fly.
Oh, totally. I know
I don't know how to
fly.
fly.
You know how to fly?
Really?
Yeah.
They don't call me
Yeah,
Valky.
I mean, Ray looks like she knows how to
Fly, Ray,
fly.
for no
Get the
reason.
heli, Cyan.
Oh.
Get the heli.
Oh, wow, yeah.
So the
Wait,
person,
does anyone
He,
the person
he
who
passed
knows
the
how to fly
flying
has
test
to drive it
yesterday. How
out.
did he fail that?
Hello, welcome to Air Force. I'd like to buy a helicopter.
He was just doing that
These
to
are
flex
a
how
bit
rich
different
he
to the
was.
small
Oh.
helis, I think.
A transport
He
helicopter.
was just flexing how much money he had so that he could crash one and buy
Yeah.
another.
Yep,
Oh.
exactly.
Thanks.
I guess
Oh,
we didn't
ah,
need to come
yes.
here
Rich streamers.
All
this
right.
time either.
I'll meet you guys
No
on
way,
the safe
Ray
zone.
crashes it too, right?
No. I've
Okay,
done this before.
Bart.
I've done this
No way.
before.
Okay,
I've
part
done
2,
this.
Everybody
Good
out
luck,
to the safe
Ray.
zone.
We got it. We believe.
Guys, get out of here before she crashes and kills us all.
I got this. Don't worry. Okay, forward is up.
I believe in you, Ray.
Fly the chopper, son.
I don't. Let go. Okay, it's alive. It's there. We can. Okay. Put out the fire. It's fine.
I am inside.
Good. Okay. See,
She did it.
fine.
Everything's okay.
Get it, Ray. Nice.
Repair it.
Okay, it's
We
All
can
right, Ray,
repair
drive
it.
us to the cargo ship.
fine. Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Ray, you want to
the
keep
oil
driving?
rig, Ray.
Wait, we need to pick
Oh,
up
you want me to-
corpse, guys.
All right,
we
I'll
need
drive
we
it.
gotta pick up corpse. Here, wait.
All right, let's pick up corpse. I got it.
Oh,
I'll go, guys.
wait.
I'm an expert pilot. Good job landing it,
I
Ray.
can't
You
go
did a
in
great
there.
job.
All right, good job. You got this.
Wait, Ray.
Yeah, don't worry,
Oh,
don't
oh,
worry.
wait, Ray, get
No,
in.
no, it's okay. You gotta pick up corpse.
Oh shit.
Oh shit!
Smoke everywhere.
Ash! I can't go in there. I have too many
Listen, I was
scraps.
standing at the end.
I can't go in there. I have too many scraps.
Oh, I think they crashed. I think they just crashed. Hang on, let's.
I can't go in there. I have too many
Are they
scraps. I don't think. Wait, how do you fly the helicopter? Are you guys okay?
Honestly, I've only ever tried
Oh,
once,
Jesus!
and I crashed.
I think we're improving,
Hey,
Jack.
Wendy.
Maybe one more time and we'll get out of here.
We made
Hey,
it
you guys
out
got
of the
really
camp.
far this time.
Let's go
You don't want
far.
this. Wendy, you don't want any of this. Trust me.
Wendy,
Two helicopters
we're over here
down
crashing
there.
choppers, Wendy. We've got too much
Hey,
money.
hey, do you have
We're
any
drunk on
scrap?
power.
How do you
Both
fly?
times.
Oh my goodness.
Why would you let him?
Hey,
man?
Sykkuno's getting better.
Wild. I saw it fall down from like miles
Yeah, we made it
away.
out of bandit camp that time.
Did you make a wish on us, Wendy?
Hey. Yep, definitely
Hi,
made a wish on
Wendy.
a falling helicopter.